So hi guys, welcome to Yourpedia Educations. Today's video is one of the job opportunity for the post of junior engineer in the discipline of civil, electrical and mechanical, and this opportunity is coming from the THDC India Limited guys, and this recruitment will be through the computer based test. And there is not only the test, the final selection includes some other stages also, that is your viva and interaction, or we may call it the interview, right? So guys, if you are coming from the electrical, civil or mechanical background, then this opportunity THDC India Limited junior engineer opportunity is really great option for you. Now they have given the breakage of the number of posts. So you can see here civil engineering, these are the backlog vacancies. For civil engineering you have 26, for electrical engineering 26, and for mechanical you have 13. Again, now total vacancies 131. And if we talk about the current vacancy, this is the current vacancy breakage. So guys, you can see there are a huge number of vacancies for those students who are from the electrical, who are from the mechanical, or who are from the civil background as mentioned here, right? So don't miss this opportunity. And apart from this, what is the eligibility criteria guys? They have told very clearly that for junior engineer civil you must have a 3-year full-time regular diploma course or 2 years of lateral entry in relevant branch of engineering recognized by respective state board of technical education examination. And they have made very clear higher technical qualification like BTech, BE and BSc engineering without the essential qualification, full-time regular diploma is not eligible, not allowed. Means if you have BTech only, you don't have diploma, you cannot apply. If you have diploma, you have BTech, then definitely you are eligible, because minimum eligibility is diploma only. And the age limit they have put 27 years guys, right? Now moving ahead, if I talk about what is the selection procedure, the selection procedure they have made very clear. Junior engineer trainee for civil, electrical, mechanical, there will be 2 phases. Computer based test, it carries the 85% weightage, and then interaction or viva, it carries the 15% weightage. So this includes your final selection or final criteria of the shortlisting. Now guys, coming down the written syllabus, they have given the total marks and subject. द मीडियम ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन जो आपका पेपर होगा हिंदी और इंग्लिश में होगा, दोनों में क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. 200 मार्क्स का 200 मार्क्स का पेपर रहेगा और 200 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे. पार्ट 1 में 140 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन कंसर्न डिसिप्लिन के रहेंगे, सिविल के तो सिविल के, इलेक्ट्रिकल के तो इलेक्ट्रिकल के, मैकेनिकल के तो मैकेनिकल के. पार्ट 2 में आपके पास 30 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे जनरल अवेयरनेस के, और पार्ट 3 में 30 क्वेश्चन आपके पास रहेंगे रीजनिंग के. अब मार्किंग कैसे होगी? मार्किंग के लिए बोल रखा है ईच क्वेश्चन विल कैरी 1 मार्क, और हर एक के लिए आपको 1 मार्क्स मिलेगा अगर आपका करेक्शन होगा. अगर आपका नेगेटिव मार्किंग रॉन्ग होगा तो 0.25 आपका जो है डिडक्शन होगा. मींस 1/4 ऑफ द मार्क्स आपके डिडक्ट होंगे. मींस नेगेटिव मार्किंग वहां पे है. नाउ minimum qualifying marks in the computer based test, they have mentioned at least 50% of the total marks जो जनरल, यूआर, अनरिजर्व्ड, ईडब्ल्यूएस, ओबीसी, एनसीएल के उनके लिए, एससी, एसटी, पीडब्ल्यूडी एक्स सर्विसमैन के लिए 30% ऑफ द टोटल मार्क्स आपके पास जनरल क्वालिफाइंग क्राइटेरिया रहने वाला है, राइट? सो गाइज ये आपके पास पूरा डिटेल है इसका. और अगर आप चाहते हो कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आप मिस ना करो तो THDC की वेबसाइट पे विजिट करिएगा एंड स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग दिस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो डिटेल दे हैव मेंशन्ड इन दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट. एंड ओपनिंग ऑफ द ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन 9th of June and the closing of the online registration is the 30th of the June. So ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेडलाइन है. और आपको बोला है यहाँ पे applicants are advised to check the recruitment section of the THDC India Limited regularly for any update. So guys, ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है फॉर मैकेनिकल, सिविल और इलेक्ट्रिकल डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ द जूनियर इंजीनियर ट्रेनी, that is from the THDC India Limited. So Yourpedia Education wish you people all the best for this position. Apply and prepare well for the competitive exam, and if you need any kind of assistance throughout the process, you can drop comment in the comment section. Our executive will be approaching you and they will get back to us and we will be providing the solution for you people, right? Thanks a lot.